Hi, so I have created another pooping friend. This time it's a pooping monkey. And I am just going to show you how to fill Mr. Monkey. So flip him over. He has a little hidden slot here in his tail. Pull the strings out. Pull on the ends that are not loops. We widen the opening and grab your candy that you would like to put in there. Fill him up. Oop. Last one. He's not quite all the way full, but I'll demonstrate how to close him anyhow. Just pull on the strings once he is full and make the opening just a little bit smaller than the candy that you used, just a hair smaller, and then tie the loops. Locate the hidden slot in the tail and stuff those strings right back up into that slot. And there is Pooping Monkey. He's not all the way full. He's not quite all the way full. You can just squeeze him to get a candy out. I might have done that too tight. Just give me a red one. There he is.